The 4th of May 2020 will mark a turning point in our fight against the coronavirus. Because today the world is coming together. Let's start the pledging. And I'm delighted to get the ball rolling by announcing the European Commission's contribution. The European Commission mobilizes €1 billion for the coronavirus global response.
Canada is proud to be a part of this. Our contribution of more than $850 million includes significant investments in Canadian medical research and development. It also includes contributions to international vaccine development through the Coalition for Epidemic Preparedness Innovations, funding for the WHO's work on treatment, and, of course, support for developing countries. We cannot do this without thinking about the world at the same time.
The race to discover the vaccine to defeat this virus is not a competition between countries, but the most urgent shared endeavour of our lifetimes. It's humanity against the virus. We're in this together and together.
That is why Israel is pledging today $60 million to these efforts. We hope to work with other countries to leverage our unique capabilities to find solutions for the benefit of all.
26 Mart'ta kabul ettiğimiz G20 bildirgesinde aşının hızlıca geliştirilmesi için kaynak sağlama taahhüdünde bulunmuştuk. Bugünkü koronavirüs küresel mukabele taahhüt etkinliğinin parçası olmayı da bu nedenle görev addettik. Çalışmalarda gereksiz tekrarlara ve bürokrasiye izin verilmemesi hedefe ulaşmamızı kolaylaştıracaktır. Covid-19 aşısı tüm insanlığın ortak malı olmalıdır. Bu bakımdan üretilecek aşıya küresel erişimin garanti altına alınması ve kimsenin geride bırakılmaması prensibinin itinayla uygulanması son derece önemlidir. Aşı geliştirme çabalarına yönelik maddi katkımızı belirlerken tüm bu hususları dikkate alacağız. Değerlendirmeler akabinde tespit edeceğimiz meblağı ise 23 Mayıs'a kadar ilan edeceğiz.
国際的な取り組みへの貢献として国内外に総額約 8.34 億ドルの支援を行います。治療薬として有望視されている日本で開発されたアビガンについては人道的見地から希望する国々に対して無償供与し臨床研究を拡大していくこととしており
Deutschland fühlt sich diesem Ziel verpflichtet. Wir werden uns mit 525 Millionen direkt an dieser Pledging-Konferenz beteiligen und wir werden unsere Verpflichtungen für die globale Gesundheit insgesamt mit etwa 1,3 Milliarden Euro auch weiterführen, sei es, wenn es um Gavi geht, um den Ausbau eines Gesundheitssystems, das stärker ist, vor allen Dingen in vielen Ländern des Südens und wir werden auch unsere humanitäre Hilfe erhöhen.
Pour cela, la France engagera 500 millions d'euros supplémentaires dans le cadre de l'initiative ACT-A. Cette somme s'ajoutera en parfaite cohérence au financement engagé par ailleurs dans le cadre de l'initiative Covid-19 Santé en commun, pour laquelle nous mobilisons, au travers de l'Agence française de développement, 1,2 milliard d'euros pour le renforcement des réseaux régionaux de surveillance épidémiologique, la mise en place de plans nationaux de réponse, l'appui aux ONG, aux organisations de recherche pour répondre à l'urgence et renforcer durablement les systèmes de santé de nos partenaires africains.
Support with $220 million and we'll do so together with other committed states and actors. But as we all know, developing the tools only gets us halfway. In order to save lives, vaccines, treatment, and diagnostic tools must be made available to all. Gavi plays a vital role in making vaccines, including a COVID-19 vaccine, when ready, available to poor countries and to vulnerable groups. So Norway pledges $1 billion to Gavi for the next strategic period, including $400 million to the International Finance Facility for Immunization.
As such, the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia has pledged $500 million and is urging all members and organizations to commit to empowering global solidarity in bridging direct funding gaps.
Ultimately, we will be better able to live up to our responsibility as an international community to ensure every individual across countries and continents has equal and equitable access to a vaccine once available. In my region, failure is not an option. With ongoing crises, conflict, and unemployment, the risks are way too high. And we cannot forget that those that are most vulnerable in such difficult times are people such as refugees and displaced communities. In Jordan, protecting refugees from COVID-19 is a priority. And while the lockdown has exacerbated our economic difficulties, our quick action has thankfully helped suppress the spread of the virus. And this has meant that we have been ready to provide support where possible, offering PPEs to neighbors and friends experiencing shortages. But at the same time, we do rely on our friends for support to address our own shortages, such as ventilators and testing kits. Our challenges of success increase exponentially if we partner to build capacities within each of our countries, and more importantly, cooperate rather than compete. Thank you very much, Madam President.
And Latvia is very proud to join the coronavirus global response and to pledge 100,000 euros to United Nations and to WHO efforts to tackle this disease. Additionally, the Latvian government has decided to allocate 5 million euros to boost national scientific efforts to tackle coronavirus issues, to work out and to assist in working out the vaccine.
But victory against this virus cannot be declared before effective vaccines and therapeutics are developed and made available to all in need around the world. Korean government has been contributing around $50 million annually to the key actors of the ACT partnerships, and we will significantly increase financial resources for bilateral and multilateral assistance, and will make additional contributions of $50 million to the partnerships, including at Gavi's next replenishment. I'm also happy to announce that Korea will start to provide financial contributions to CEPI, and we will also explore further ways to enhance cooperation with the partnerships. Thank you.